Hello, Kernersville, North Carolina. I'm Robert Robinson with Helpful Homes, and we just wanted to remind everybody in Kernersville that we are local to Kernersville and we are buying properties in their as-is condition. Helpful Homes also owns rental properties in Kernersville, and we love the neighborhood in general. So if you are looking to sell a property in its as-is condition and you'd like to sell it for a fair all-cash price, not having to list it with a realtor and going the conventional route of a bunch of showings and fielding different offers and then going into due diligence periods and things of that nature. If you would like a very straightforward, real cash offer that you can count on and a number that you know you can expect to see at the end of the day, then Helpful Homes is a wonderful option for you. We're real people. We'll come out and meet you if that's possible, and in a very small period of time, usually 24 to 48 hours, we'll be able to provide you with an all-cash offer that you can then look over. There's no obligation, and if it's something that feels good to you and you want to move forward, that's what we're here to do. So again, Kernersville, North Carolina residents that want to sell property. It can be inherited property, it could be an old rental home or rental homes that you've had for many years and now you are kind of a tired landlord and you're looking to sell these properties. It can be property that has sat vacant for any period of time, needing repairs, or just any property in general that for whatever reason needs some work and you don't want to do the work or you don't have the time. Helpful Homes loves to renovate properties. It is what we do day in and day out. We take a lot of pride in the work that we put into these houses, and we really try to leave something nice for the neighborhood and for the family that comes along next. So if you are considering selling a property in its as-is condition, you'd like to sell it quickly at a fair cash price, Helpful Homes would love to hear from you. You can reach us in Kernersville at 336-829-7400, or you can jump online and find us at www.helpful-homes.com. We're also on the Better Business Bureau. You can check out reviews from past clients, and we also have a Google page where you can also see some of our reviews and see some reviews from past clients as well. So hope everyone is doing really well. Take good care, and we'll see you soon. Okay, bye-bye. Thanks.